What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create this amazing effect of text behind the image into your web browser online for free without even needs of login and account creation. First thing, go to Google, okay? Once on Google, type text behind image and go to this first result, textbehindimage.com. You're going to be able to see this page right here. The first thing to do is create text behind image designs easily. Click on select image, this purple button, and select an image of yours, okay? I'm going to choose this one for example. I won't cut the video so you can see the time that it actually takes. According to the server usage, it may change, but while you wait, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. You have no idea how much it helps us. After the image gonna be loaded, we are processing the image there. So first thing, text. Click on add new text and you can edit the text behind the image, okay? Click into this little arrow and you're gonna be able to align the text in the case that you want. Make the text bold, italic, underlined. Change the font size of the text. Just like this. Way too big, don't you think? You can change the font family in the case you want. You can change the text color in the case you want. The opacity of the text. We can rotate the text in the case that I want. All up to your needs. And you can change the vertical alignment of the text and the horizontal alignment of the text. Just like this. Let me decrease it just a little bit. Here's the result. We can download the image in the case that you like the design in the way that it is, but you can still customize. For example, on the image, we can enhance the image in the case that you want. We can change the contrast, the brightness. We can rotate. And you can change the aspect ratio. Just like this, for example. After having the design in the way that you need, all you have to do is click on the download button and you are good to go. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!